Hey everyone, it's the Robologist. Today on my workbench we have Legacy Evolution Armada Universe Megatron. I got absolutely lucky today. I managed to find him out in the wild. I'm not sure how you all are feeling about the boxes and the artwork on it, but I'm absolutely loving the Legacy lineup boxes. So he came packaged in tank mode. It's a really nice tank mode, but the turret cannot do a full 360, so no shooting behind him. And like most Transformer tanks, instead of working treads, there's just a little roller under there to ride around on. Okay, let's transform him. Now, I normally just don't do a running commentary while transforming. The way I feel about it is that, if you enjoy Transformers, you like figuring out the transformation as you go. It's kind of like a puzzle. Now, I may point out a major issue that I came across whenever I was trying to figure it out the first time through. Now, one of the few things that actually aggravates me about this figure is how easy it is to get the shoulders to start drooping down. It's like I'm constantly having to push them back up whenever I mess with the arms. And to me, this is a really good looking Megatron. Now to do the under the arm turret blaster thing that was a gimmick in Armada. You just lift up the arm and slide it over. Now, they showed this feature in the directions to put the turret on the front side, but to me this is just concrete proof that we're getting a Armada Universe Legacy tidal wave, and I for one am super excited about that one. But this comes across looking more like he's about to play the banjo or something. Ba-da-dan-dan-dan-dan-dan-dan-dan. One more trick I noticed, and I don't know if this was intentional or what, but with the open hand over here in the left, decided to rip off one of his horns and use it like a knife. Reminiscent of one of the battle scenes in the Armada series. All in all, I'm very happy with this figure, so I'm going to give him a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Well, that's it for the Robologist, so get out there and enjoy playing with those robot toys before they gain sentience and start playing with you. Later days.